India's Hindu pilgrimage city of Haridwar witnessed thousands of devotees gathering for Haridwar Kumbh Fair or Pitcher Festival. The festival is marked by a ritual dip in the waters of holy river Ganga and a magnificent fair of Kumbh, which comes with the promise of an eternal life free of sins for the believers.
Thousands of devotees from across the country gathered at Ganga Ghats in Hindu pilgrimage city of Haridwar to witness the ongoing Kumbh Fair or the Pitcher Festival. The festival is marked by a holy dip followed by other religious rituals and is a celebration of the Hindu faith that Indian rivers are holy and pious. The pilgrims gathered at the ghats in huge numbers to pray, making it one of the biggest gatherings under the sun.
यही तो सत्य है, यही तो अपने भारत की एक मातृभूमि है, जिस पर गंगा मैया के जल से कोरोना की बीमारी भी खत्म होती है.
Hindus believe that bathing in the holy rivers near sacred cities absolve people of sins and brings salvation from the cycle of life and death. Usually, the Kumbh Fair witnesses more than 100 million devotees. However, this year the numbers significantly dwindled because of the pandemic.
कोई डर नहीं है, यहाँ तो वायरस वैसे ही खत्म हो जाएगा, इतना अच्छा जल है. हाँ, और सब सेफ्टी बरत रहे हैं, सैनिटाइजर, मास्क वगैरह सब यूज कर रहे हैं. इस चीज़ का विशेष ध्यान दिया जा रहा है.
Meanwhile, Hindu ascetics, known as Naga sadhus, many naked apart from a coating of ash and carrying swords or tridents, led the bathers at the Kumbh and performed rituals to wash away their past sins. Another important gathering was that of members of Kinnar Akhada, a religious sect of the transgender community. Dressed in colorful attires and accompanied by musicians, the member of the transgender sect carried out a procession as they descended the stairs of ghats to take a holy dip.
बदलाव सृष्टि का नियम है. Change is inevitable and change will happen. किन्नर अखाड़ा वो बदलाव का एक नाम है.
Kumbh Fair, which is more than 2000 years old, is a meeting point of Hindu sadhus. It is traditionally held every 3 years in one of 4 holy cities situated along India's sacred rivers. According to Hindu religious texts, demons and deities churned the ocean, which gave many precious items, one of them being the nectar of immortality. One of the demons ran away with the whole pitcher of nectar, and 4 drops fell in these 4 cities of Haridwar, Ujjain, Prayagraj and Nasik.